morning. My name is Sergeant Steve Fischer with the Minnesota State Patrol Commercial Vehicle Section. With the 4th of July weekend upon us, we want to provide you with some safety tips while towing trailers. One thing we want to look at is the difference in coupler sizes, hitch types. There are numerous variations. If you're not familiar with what you have, you need to contact the manufacturer to get their recommendations on that specific equipment. With the receiver hitches also, they slide into, the hitch itself slides into the receiver. Again, there's a safety pin that slides in and a cotter pin to prevent that safety pin from sliding out or backing out. You want to make sure that you remember that you need this safety pin to prevent your hitch from pulling out of the receiver. So when we place the trailer coupler onto the ball hitch, your coupler handle will be up. You want to make sure that you secure that coupler handle down. There's a locking pin and there's a hole for a securement device, such as a cotter pin. You want to make sure you have some kind of securement device into that coupler. That way, if for some reason the coupler handle starts to rock and vibrate up, that safety device is going to keep the coupler down and secure it onto the ball. Next, we look at safety chains. You can see I have 2 safety chains with this trailer. We suggest crisscrossing your safety chains and hooking them to the vehicle. By crisscrossing the safety chains, what that does is it creates a cradle. Should your receiver hitch fail and the tongue of the trailer drop, crisscrossing your chains will keep that tongue up above the ground, allowing you to slowly move your way to the right shoulder of the road. Okay? You want to make sure your lights are hooked up, so you have brake lights, working turn signals to the rear. That way people behind you are aware of what your movements are going to be while you're going down the road. With receiver hitches, you can see on this one, the manufacturer lists what that receiver hitch is rated to carry or haul. So you want to make sure the receiver hitch on the vehicle is strong enough to carry the size trailer that you're pulling down the road. So when you're hooking a trailer up, you need to be sure of what size coupler you have, and then look at the ball that is attached to your hitch on the truck or the pulling unit. And make sure that the ball is right for that size coupler. So with this coming holiday weekend, with everybody pulling their utility trailers, boat trailers, up north for their vacations, we want to make sure that you're checking these safety issues when it comes to towing your trailer. The connection with the hitch being number one. If your trailer has brakes, breakaway brakes, you want to make sure you check those, make sure they're working properly. Inspect your breakaway brake pin, the cable. Checking your hubs, make sure your bearings are greased properly. Lug nuts on the wheels, make sure you're checking those lug nuts. And the tire condition, tread on your tires. We want to make sure that everybody has a safe holiday weekend coming up.